If you have a favorite stadium, now you can have it in a coaster. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. I like to have a beverage every now and then, so I like to have a coaster, protect my furniture, and I picked up this because they make these wooden coasters. You can see here we have 3 layers of, I'm going to call it like an ash wood. I don't know, it feels stronger than a balsa, but you can see they have 3 levels here, and then what they do is they cut them out, laser etch them, and so they make a 3D model of your favorite arena, stadium, those kinds of things. Now, I actually picked Ryan Field at Northwestern University, my alma mater, and one of the reasons I picked this up is because they are going to tear it down this year, and so this is the last year it's going to look like this. So I thought I would just commemorate that, remind myself of the many great times I had at the old arena. And then they put this plexiglass polycarbonate on top, screw it down with these little screws here, so you don't have to worry about the wood getting ruined unless you have something run over it or you put this in the dishwasher or this gets wet, but that should protect it. It's probably not the grippiest surface ever, but it's more about having this 3-dimensional look, and it really looks quite cool. You can see here the detail in that 3D etching really makes a lot of detail. This is the Randy Walker Terrace here, and at the locker room building you can see the stands and then the football field down there. Certainly looks like Ryan Field press boxes are all up there. Pretty cool. So whether it is collegiate sports or maybe your favorite baseball or football team, Ford Field in Detroit, you can pretty much get anything, and it's a nice cheap way to remind yourself that you're a fan of an important sports legacy. So if you want to pick up something like this, if you want to pick up a little coaster with your favorite team on it, a little subtle way to remind yourself every time you're drinking that your team isn't winning, well, I'll put a link to these in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out!
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter Von Panda. Peter Von Panda.
What's happening, Panda Nation?